Hey everyone, welcome to Build AI Agents with OpenAI Agents SDK course. I'm really glad you found this one. I'm a software engineer and I build AI agents with these tools every day. And I put this course together to get you doing the same. So, who is this course for? If you can write basic Python or any other programming language, like functions, classes, you're ready. And here is the thing, you are not building chatbots or prototypes here. You will learn to build production-grade agentic AI. Agents that call real tools, make their own decisions, talk back out loud, and actually ship. The course comes in two parts. First, we go through the SDK piece by piece, short, focused lessons, one idea at a time. Then we put it all together, build a real project from scratch. We're going to call it Travel Assistant, searches flights, plans trips, and runs live in your browser. You will set up your OpenAI dashboard and write your first AI agent. Then you will give it tools, your own functions, web search, code execution, and outside data through MCP. You'll steer it with prompt engineering, context and memory management, and chain of thought reasoning. You will build teams of agents that hand work to specialist agents, add input and output guardrails, and put a human in the loop for approvals. You will even spin up Sandbox agents that run safely in their own isolated workspace. You will have it return rich artifacts like a visual replan card and talk back in real-time voice. And you'll finish like a pro. We will have offline evals, online evals, red teaming, tracing every run, and deploying the whole project to the cloud. By the end, you will have a real working AI agent that you built with your own hands. So let's jump in. I'll see you in the first lesson.